Hello students, once again welcome to Bholanath Academy. Today students we are going to see the chromium and manganese reagent as a oxidizing reagent. The most commonly employed chromium and manganese compound as oxidizing agent include K2Cr2O7, that is called as potassium dichromate because two chromium atoms are there. K2Cr4 potassium chromate, this is called as chromyl chloride, that is Cr2O2 and Cl. This is chromic acid students CrO3, and the manganese reagent students, first one is called as potassium permanganate KMnO4. Potassium magnate only. Here it is permanganate because only one potassium is there. Here we call as potassium magnate K2MnO4. Two potassium atom it is there. Now you have students manganese dioxide MnO2. Now here students we are going to see in this video chromium compound as an oxidizing agent. Now first chromium compound students we are taking here potassium dichromate, that is K2Cr2O7. It is oxidizes alcohol to carbonyl, and carbonyl compound further oxidizes to acid, and benzylic halide when oxidized it will give you aldehyde. Now students we are going to see some reactions. Now how oxidation of alcohol is taking place in presence of potassium dichromate, that is in presence of sulfuric acid at 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. This is alcohol students cyclohexanol because it is alcohol group. Now this alcoholic group is converted into cyclohexanone, that is ketonic group. So this is the first oxidation students we have seen, that is oxidation of alcohol. Cyclohexanol is converted into cyclohexanone. Now second reaction students here 4-amino alpha naphthol. This is alpha naphthol students where at position number 4 there is an amino group is attached. So that is why it is called as 4-amino alpha naphthol. Now when it is oxidized with the help of K2Cr2O7 it is converted into 1,4-naphthalene. Now students we are going to see oxidation of benzylic halide to aldehyde. This is benzylic halide students in presence of K2Cr2O7 it is converted into benzaldehyde. So this part is totally converted to aldehyde group. Now oxidation of carbonyl compound to acid. This is the carbonyl compound students aldehyde group containing carbonyl. It is converted into the acid. So it is converted into what? Acid group. So these are very important students for the oxidation of carbonyl compound also. Now students second type of we are going to see that is called as chromic acid. When chromium oxide is dissolved in water it is forming what? Chromic acid. The oxidation of alcohol to carbonyl compound. This is also a type of oxidizing agent students. Here you have alcoholic group which is converted into what? Aldehyde group. Oxidation of aldehyde to carboxylic acid. The oxidation of aldehyde group, this is aldehyde group students which is converted into what? Carboxylic group, like this. Now here students alcoholic group is attached, it is converted into what? Benzoquinone. Understanding on oxidation, this alcoholic group converted into ketonic group. Now students one more type of oxidation we are going to see, oxidation of aryl methane to aldehyde. This is the aryl, this is the benzene to which methyl group is attached, we call as common name it is toluene. When oxidized students it is converted into this type of intermediate. When on the addition of water molecules it will go hydrolysis and form aldehyde. Now oxidation of cleavage of double bond. If compound containing students double bond like alkenes, it is converted into what? The compound will break and you will get methyl and the aldehyde, that is acetaldehyde you are getting because two carbon containing compound we call it acetaldehyde and acid. Now oxidation of allylic group to the alpha beta unsaturated compound students. Here you have allylic group students. Now in allylic group students this methylene is converted into what? Ketonic group, that is alpha beta unsaturated. This is also unsaturated compound. Okay students, so unsaturation will present in both the reactant as well as what? In product. Now students we are going to see the third type of oxidizing agent that is called as chromyl chloride, CrO2 and Cl2. This is the formula of chromyl chloride. It is oxidizes aryl methane to aryl aldehyde known as Itard reaction. It also oxidizes olefinic to aldehyde or ketone. Now students here we are going to see this is toluene in presence of chromyl chloride as carbon tetrachloride as a solvent and converted into what? Benzaldehyde. This reaction is also called as Itard reaction because Itard scientists have done this reaction. Now you have olefinic students containing double bond. This part is converted into what? Aldehyde group. Okay students, this is the reaction of they are oxidizing the double bonded compound into what? Corresponding carbonyl. These are very important students for the examination point of view. These are the three oxidizing agents of the chromium we have seen. All are very important for the examination. Please students, if you like my video please subscribe it. Thank you very much.